Mangoes are very sweet and delicious. Everyone loves eating mangoes. But peeling a mango will make it leak a lot of juice and stick to your hands. Some ripe mangoes have a lot of pulp stuck to the skin, which is really wasteful, but don't worry. Today, I'm going to share a little tip with you. Just by using toothpicks to peel mangoes, it helps you easily enjoy the fun of peeling them. It's perfect, super simple, keeps your hands clean and dry. Let's check out the video. The first way is eating mangoes without getting your hands messy. Have you ever used this trick? You don't need any complicated tools. All you need is a coin that you can find anywhere. Take a coin and start at one end of the mango. Use moderate pressure to scrape along the surface of the mango. Keep it even, almost like you are massaging the fruit. You will notice that as you scrape the peel, the mango gradually becomes softer. This is because the scraping action with the coin breaks the tight bond between the flesh and the skin, which achieves separation. This step is key to the method. Be patient. Scrape the entire mango. After that, peeling it will be much easier. Next, use a knife to cut off both ends of the mango. But be careful to leave enough space so your fingers can grip it. Where are you from? Leave a comment and let me know. Next, make a slit along each side of the mango, running lengthwise. The depth should be controlled so that you only cut into the peel. If the mango is large, you can also cut an additional line down the middle. These cuts are like putting a sweater on the mango, preparing for easy peeling in the next step. Now, we just need one hand to hold the mango steady. With the other hand, peel it. You'll be surprised how magical the mango skin is. It peels off so easily. The entire flesh is revealed right before your eyes. And your hands don't get dirty at all. Wait until the very last piece of skin comes off. It's wonderful to know that we see each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can hit the subscribe button. It's great to see your support. Use both hands to hold the two ends of the mango and enjoy it very cleanly. Eat the whole mango effortlessly. Isn't that incredibly simple? Give this method a try. Now, say goodbye to the hassle of peeling mangoes. Enjoy the pure flavor. The second method is simply to use a regular toothpick. Find a clean one and use its pointed end. Next, locate the ridge on the mango. This spot will help you peel the mango beautifully and quickly. Then, gently poke the toothpick into the stem nub of the mango. After that, make an incision along this ridge. You just need to poke lightly enough so that the tip of the toothpick goes into the mango flesh. Don't poke too hard, or the mango will leak juice and it will be easy to stray from the cut line, ruining your work. Then, cut a line along the other side of the mango. Similarly, make a line down the middle, running lengthwise to divide the mango into 4 sections. Next, insert the pointed end of the toothpick between the skin and the flesh. Then, score along that newly cut line to slightly separate the mango peel, making it easier to remove. Be careful not to tear the skin, and don't stick the toothpick too deep into the flesh, or the mango will bleed juice and you might waste the pulp. Next, repeat this process, but in the opposite direction. After using the toothpick to separate the mango skin, now you can start peeling the mango. Just peel the mango gently. It's really easy and clean, just like peeling a banana. Using this method doesn't make your hands dirty or leave any residue. You can enjoy it in a minute without needing a knife. The peel is also very clean and thin, no wasted scraps. Don't you think this way of peeling mangoes is super simple and convenient? The third way is when you bring home a big mango and don't know where to start. Don't just stare at it. First, we need a sharp knife to cut into the body of the mango. You have to be extremely focused right now, carefully feeling for the location of the pit, gradually getting a clear sense of the path of the mango seed. Then, press close to the pit and slice the mango in half. This cut goes straight through from the top to the stem. Don't you see how appealing the golden flesh of the mango is? It gives off a rich, fragrant smell of mango. This has very good healing properties. The rest of the mango can also be prepared this way. Use a knife to separate the flesh from the pit. This part is very popular with children. Next, we're going to make the flesh easier to eat. Now, use a knife to score several lines along the meat. Then, cut a few more horizontal lines to create a neat grid pattern. It's almost like creating a work of art. Next is the crucial step. We take the bottom part of the mango and gently push it upwards. Wow, the flesh seems magical. Each small piece of mango appears so beautifully now that you can enjoy. Each little piece of mango bursts in your mouth. The sweet juice fills up. Isn't that a wonderful treat? This method is truly amazing. It's simple and effective, easily solving various problems when eating large mangoes. Family members should try this. I think you're going to love this way of eating mangoes. Next, we can use a spoon to scoop the small pieces of mango onto a plate. By peeling the mango and gently scraping the small pieces out onto the plate like this, it's very easy. Please continue doing this until all the mango pieces are scraped off the peel. As you can see, after cutting them up and removing the skin, we have these adorable little mango pieces. This method will catch anyone's attention. Especially children will love eating mangoes this way. When cut like this, it's very helpful for encouraging kids who are reluctant to eat fruit. When eating, children can easily pick up small pieces with a spoon instead of holding the whole piece in their hand and getting messy. And that could even be unsanitary for little ones. If you want to enjoy mango in a clean way, but also create a presentation so stunning that everyone who sees it will be captivated. Next up is the method for you, mango blossoms or mango forks. It's beautiful, like a dessert from a fancy restaurant. All you need is a fork. Just stick the fork straight into the stem end of the mango, and it will turn into a sturdy handle. From now on, you won't have to touch the flesh at all. Everything stays neat and clean. Next, use your peeler and gently glide it along the curves of the mango to remove the skin. It feels incredibly satisfying. Nothing slips off, nothing sticks, and there's no mango juice dripping down your hands. If you just keep going like that, you'll get the entire peel off the mango. After peeling it clean, use a knife to lightly score horizontal lines across the mango flesh. A quick note, only cut into the flesh, do not cut all the way through. Gently push the mango pieces out from the back. Where are you watching from? Leave me a comment so I know. And then comes the moment that makes everyone say, wow. The entire surface will bloom into petals, spreading out like a fully bloomed rose. Golden, smooth, and plump. It looks like an elegant dessert straight out of a restaurant. Now, you just need to grab a fork and enjoy each piece. It's clean, convenient, and not messy at all. It's an incredibly simple method, but it turns an ordinary mango into a stunning culinary masterpiece. Looking at this mango flower, would you really be able to eat it? From now on, you won't have to struggle with carving mangoes anymore. You just need to choose the method that works best for you, simple, practical, and effective. This video ends here. If you have any comments or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, please give it a like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.